So there are a couple of different first-time offender programs in Virginia, but let's focus on the area of drugs first. In Virginia, if you are charged with a possession of a first-time drug offense, now this is possession, this is not distribution, but possession. If you are charged with that first-time offense, then you could be placed on probation and given a deferred disposition. As a under a deferred disposition under 18.2-251 of the Virginia Code, you would have to, for 2 years, if it was a felony, successfully complete drug treatment and education programs, remain drug and alcohol free during that 2 year period of permission, submit to drug tests, make reasonable efforts to secure and maintain employment, and comply with a plan of 100 hours of community service. Now, you would also have to be of good behavior during that period of time as well, meaning no additional criminal charges or convictions during this period that lead to convictions during this period. If it is a misdemeanor drug offense, then that community service hour requirement can be reduced from 100 hours of community service to 24 hours of community service. And the ultimate length of time can be reduced from 2 years of probation to 1 year probation. Now, let's look at the difference. There's also a first-time offender program under 18.2-57.3 of the Virginia Code. That is when you're charged with domestic assault and battery. If you're charged with domestic assault and battery for the first time in Virginia, you could enter into a deferred disposition where you are under a period of supervision for 2 years, complete an anger management class, or a batterer's intervention class, and be of good behavior during that time period and have no harmful or offensive contact with the actual victim in the case. And if you do that, then the case can ultimately be dismissed. But there are ways for first-time offenders in a variety of different situations to ultimately get that charge dismissed.